Let's play Mental in Roblox. So, this is apparently a very scary game told to me by my classmates. Oh my god, why is he watching me? Stalker? So dark. I increased the volume to you guys because I want you to see what's gonna happen to me later on the video. Wait, it's locked. Is there a hidden path some way? Hidden passage? Whoa, it moved. I can open it now. I didn't watch any tutorial for this game, so I will just discover the game. It's so dark. I'm curious on what monsters are in here. The doors are all locked. This is so annoying. Is there a vent there? I can see. Oh, there's no vent there. I'm so stupid. What? Okay, let's go down. Oh my god, bro. Another locked door. Another locked door. What the heck is wrong with this place? This is so scary. Ooh, a note. There's a spider wandering around it. Senses of movement of the people do not move. What the heck? Spiders? I hate spiders. Oh my god, bro. I wish it's not too big, right? Spiders are terrifying. It could eat my face off. Oh my god, still locked. This is so annoying. Okay, there's the note. What moved? I didn't see it. Okay, another passage. I don't wanna go there. That's so scary. It's so dark there. So many vending machines. My flashlight is low battery. Oh, what do I do? Click, 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 click. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Click. Oh, I almost died. That was so terrifying. Oh my god. I wish there is only one of those. If there are more, I'm gonna be so terrified. Oh. Oh my god, is that Kyle? How did he get into this game? Is this game stalking me or something? Okay, rest in peace, Kyle. I leave you there. So dark. Oh, what is this? 69 Robux. That's expensive. Pay to win. Okay. What's this? Kyle, is that you? Stop attacking me. Something got into your head. You're crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I killed Kyle. Kyle, I'm so sorry. Okay. Some computers. Oh, what is that? What the heck? I'm reading this through the wall. Can't even see. How do I get in here? Doing some parkour right now. Power room. It has wooden planks. Oh, the spider! Click, click! Oh my god! Click, click! 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 Guys, you don't freaking know what I am going through. This is absolutely terrifying. I have a fear of spiders. I'm facing my fear right now. I wish my friends join me in this. They don't wanna play Roblox. I'm so lonely. Support my channel, guys, so I can be your friends. Like and subscribe, please. So what do I supposed to do now? I'm lost. Oh, day 25, the food tasted strange. He is planning something big. We must act quick. Robert. Who's Robert? Robert. Oh no. Where are you, Robert? Robert. So please, guys, like and subscribe. I know some of my classmates is watching this. I'm so embarrassed. Oh, what is this spider? I can jump scare everybody. Oh my god, 49 Robux. That is expensive. Oh my god. You pay for food, not Robux. A door, okay. Oh, what's that? A hammer? Maybe I can use this to destroy the barricades. Maybe we can use this hammer to destroy the barricades. Let's go back. Okay. It's somewhere here. Where is it? It's so dark. Oh my god. Okay. What am I supposed to do here? So many passage. I'm getting lost. Oh! Click, 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 click. Oh my god. Click, 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 click. That spider has issues. Maybe his father go away to buy some milk. Oh my god, bro. Family issues? Maybe that spider has family issues. He's so terrifying. Okay. Ooh, a vent. What do we do in a vent? We crawl in. It's so dark I can't see my flashlights. Low battery. I can't use it anymore. Can you guys see it? Because I cannot. So guys, I'm gonna end the stream now. Like and subscribe and follow for more. Love you guys.